Did you recently stop your keto diet only to see the scale creep up alarmingly fast? In this video, we're diving into why rapid weight gain happens after leaving keto and how you can stop it in its tracks. So you've stopped the keto diet, but now you're scratching your head at the sudden surge in the numbers on your bathroom scale. What gives, right? Let's dive into the wild world of post-keto weight gain and unravel how the lightning-fast reintroduction of carbs can throw a spanner in the works of your weight management journey. So picture this. You've been cruising down the keto highway, reveling in the low-carb goodness, and then suddenly, boom, you take a sharp turn into Carb City. Your body, which had gotten used to torching fat for fuel, is now hit with an avalanche of carbs. The result? Your body starts holding on to water and stashing away glycogen like there's no tomorrow. And before you know it, the scale is playing a mean trick on you. So the weight that you are regaining isn't coming from fat. It's coming from your body holding on to water. Now let's get scientific for a moment. Research has uncovered the metabolic turmoil that follows the rapid reintroduction of carbs post-keto. Your body, trying to make sense of this sudden carb influx, can experience a temporary disruption, causing a surprising spike in weight. It's like your body's trying to figure out where to put all these carbs, and the scale is the messenger of this confusion. But don't worry, there's a way to sidestep this weight roller coaster. It's all about approaching the reintegration of carbs like a carefully choreographed dance. By gradually introducing nutrient-rich foods such as starchier vegetables, legumes, and fruits, you can help your body readjust without succumbing to the chaos of unexpected weight fluctuations. As you navigate the post-keto phase, take it slowly and steady. Embrace a mindful and deliberate approach to your dietary comeback. With a gradual and measured reintroduction of carbs, you can set the stage for sustainable weight management without the drama of unexpected weight spikes. Now that you know why the weight gain happens, let's talk about what actually happens with your metabolism when you quit keto. Understanding these metabolic adjustments is key to grasping why a gradual transition is crucial for preserving your hard-earned weight loss achievements. During your keto journey, your body becomes a master at burning fat for fuel, a metabolic state known as ketosis. However, reintroducing carbs triggers a metabolic gear shift. Your body, once adept at relying on fats, now needs to readjust to utilizing carbs as its primary energy source. This metabolic transition takes time and patience. And understanding this process is vital for preventing the derailment of your weight loss goals. Your body's energy regulation system undergoes a significant recalibration post-keto. The sudden influx of carbs can disrupt the delicate balance your body has achieved during the low-carb phase. As your body adapts to processing and utilizing carbs again, it's essential to give it the time it needs to fine-tune its energy regulation mechanism to prevent the pendulum swing of weight fluctuations. The reintroduction of carbs post-keto can also trigger hormonal adjustments. Hormones involved in appetite regulations, such as insulin and leptin, may experience fluctuations as your body navigates the shift in fuel sources. This can impact your hunger cues and satiety levels, potentially influencing your calorie intake and consequently your weight. Given these intricate metabolic adjustments, it becomes evident why a slow and gentle transition post-keto is paramount. By gradually reintroducing carbohydrates and allowing your body the time it needs to recalibrate its metabolic machinery, you lay the groundwork for a smoother and more sustainable weight management journey. So, you've conquered the keto frontier. But now it's time to chart a course for the strategic reintroduction of carbs into your dietary landscape. Navigating this phase with finesse is crucial to preventing the unwelcome surprise of rapid weight gain. Let's explore practical strategies for orchestrating the reintroduction of carbs to ensure a smooth and sustainable transition. Number 1, gradual carb inclusion. Picture this phase as a delicate symphony, which each note is added with precision and care. Instead of diving headfirst into a carb feast, start by gradually incorporating small servings of complex carbohydrates into your meals. Opt for nutrient-dense sources, such as whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables. This gradual approach allows your body to adapt to the re-emergence of carbs without triggering the tumultuous waves of weight fluctuations. Number 2, mindful monitoring. During this phase, keep a mindful eye on your body's response to the reintroduction of carbs. This is paramount. Monitor how your weight, energy levels, and hunger cues respond to the gradual inclusion of carbs. This insight can guide you in making informed adjustments to your carb intake, ensuring that the transition remains gentle and conducive to your weight management goals. Number 3, pairing carbs with protein and fiber. To mitigate the potential impact of carb introduction on your weight, strategically pair your carb servings with protein and fiber-rich foods. This synergistic combination helps stabilize blood sugar levels, prolongs feelings of fullness, and curbs the rapid spikes and crashes in energy that can accompany the reintroduction of carbs. Number 4, physical activity integration. Integrating regular physical activity into your routine can complement the strategic reintroduction of carbs. Engaging in exercise not only aids in utilizing the incoming carbohydrates for energy, but also supports your overall metabolic adaptation to the shift in fuel sources. This harmonious integration of physical activity can contribute to a smoother transition, minimizing the risk of rapid weight gain. Number 5, hydration and electrolyte balance. As you navigate the reintroduction of carbs, don't overlook the importance of hydration and electrolyte balance. Adequate hydration supports your body's adjustment to the metabolic shift, while maintaining electrolyte balance can help mitigate water retention often associated with rapid carb introduction. Now, have you experienced challenges transitioning off of keto? What worked or didn't work for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to know. Now, if you need help losing the keto rebound weight without having to go back to strict keto, I'd love to chat with you. Book your complimentary call in the description below. Speaking of keto rebound weight, check out my video on how I lost my keto rebound weight with carbs. I'll see you there.